Hello, I'm Dirks, Dean of the David Eccles School of Business. What goes on in our classrooms is extraordinary, but our story goes even further. In our new series, Beyond the Classroom, I'll be talking with our students, faculty, staff, alumni, and business partners about how we work together to go about driving student success, creating societal impact, and creating an enduring legacy. This is about telling our story about what makes us such a special place here at the David Eccles School of Business. To kick this off, we're going to be talking to Isabelle White. She's a QAMO major, CEO of the Business Student Government, and a Goff Scholar to hear about what it's like to be an Eccles student. Isabelle, why did you choose the David Eccles School of Business?
Well, I chose the David Eccles School of Business because as I was looking for programs that combined technical and more broad approaches, I was able to find QAMO, and that gave me the chance to learn more about business, econ, and then of course coding and statistics. So for me, it was a really great blend. And then once I had already found the major that really interested me, I found that I also really clicked with the culture of the David Eccles School of Business and all of the experiential learning opportunities that are given here in classrooms, like study abroad, Goff Scholars, and research opportunities.
So what makes our student experience so unique?
Well, the U is so unique, both on, but I think especially off campus. I'm a born and raised Utahn, so I love anything outdoors. And for me, our proximity to skiing, hiking, and then of course national parks is something so incredible and unique to the U. We have at least 8 national parks within a 6-hour drive, and it makes for the perfect weekend road trip. And I think that sense of adventure is something really unique to the student population here.
You're now CEO of the Business Student Government. What motivated you to get involved in student government in the first place?
Yeah, well, I really wanted to have an active hand in kind of cultivating the environment around my education. Really wanted to have the chance to make sure that students had fun events, a sense of community, and then also, of course, to learn more about the decision-making process from leaders at our school. So really wanted to get involved so that I could be a student voice in that room and make sure to advocate for students, making it the best place it can be.
So you're a scholar at the Goff Strategic Leadership Institute. What has that experience been like, and what have you learned from it?
That experience has been so amazing. It really gave me a really transformative experience early on in my college career when it came to experiential learning in the classroom. Getting to consult for real companies for a whole year in different teams and across such different industries was a really incredible experience and really changed the way that I approach problem solving and leadership. It really taught me to kind of navigate through ambiguity and drive through action.
How has your experience at the school prepared you for your career?
Yeah, well, I think that my experience here at David Eccles School of Business has really given me a lot of durable and transferable skills, really going beyond the technical aspects of the classroom and focusing on things like critical thinking and communication and creativity, and just being able to step into different teams, different roles with that kind of same adaptive skill set has been so important. I found it's really helped in internships, and it has definitely made me think about the world differently.
So you're a senior, your last year. For students who are just starting, incoming students, what advice do you have for them to make the most of their time here?
Okay, well, I had the awesome opportunity to go speak to some freshmen last month when they started, and I shared my 3 keys to success in college: initiative, involvement, and inspiration. If you go out and find opportunities and really make sure that you are involving yourself in areas around campus that you are excited about, you're going to find success and excitement and joy in your college career that you wouldn't otherwise. I would really recommend it. So initiative, involvement, inspiration.
Great advice. Thanks for watching this first installation of Beyond the Classroom. I'm Dirks. Join us again next time to learn more about what it's like to be a student at the David Eccles School of Business.